Today is a really exciting day for our truck, where we're getting some darker window tint.
Yeah, it's gonna look so much better after we come from the shop. We are gonna make the front a little bit darker and the back a lot more darker. So it's gonna be great for our road trip coming up.
Let's do it.
Let's go. So we just picked up the truck from the tint shop and it's looking awesome right now.
It's looking great. It happened so fast. He did it in like 2 hours and we love the results. Check it out.
Let's go.
So that's another successful upgrade to our 2025 Toyota Tacoma. We ended up going with 5% tint in the back and then 30% in the front.
We chose Llumar for the brand and Pinnacle window tint. We chose it because it's ceramic and has really good heat rejection and all the things that you need, not just a dark window tint, especially when we're gonna do road trips through some really bright sunny places like Florida.
Yep, and just living in California. It gets pretty sunny here in the East Bay, so it's gonna help us out.
So let's do a walk around and show you what we got. It's just good to know that there's not too much haze from the film, and I'm kind of right where the sun is right now. Just a little bit, but not as bad as some cheaper eBay film or things you find on Amazon. Stepping into the inside, we have 30% in the front and 5% in the back. It's a good balance between drivability, comfort, and privacy.
So that was it, just a short video, but we have so much stuff still to come. We're going to do a cross-country road trip from California to Florida.
Yeah, so look out for that. So don't forget to like and subscribe to Yes We Can.